I accidentally recorded myself creating thumbnails, so we're gonna take a behind the scenes look at what that entails and just see how I get things done. Initially, I'm gonna be collecting all the files, which are the pictures for the thumbnails, and then I'm gonna break down how I put them all together. So right here, I'm trying to insert a photo album so that I can put all the files together into PowerPoint into one fell swoop. So what you do is you just find a folder that contains all your images, you open it, and then you click them all, then you hit insert, and you double check to make sure that the files are the ones that you want. You do fill to slide. I'm double checking here with the video that I was watching. You hit create. Well, double check again. You got it. And then you hit create, and then all your files are on individual slides and you can move forward from there.